for your purchase on Bullet Funride. This rider comes with attractive looks, steady body base, storage space under the seat. This product is easy to assemble by using these simple parts. Step 1. Take the main body. Then, fix handle to main body with help of handle pin. Now, insert axle to main body. Step 4. Place rear wheel to axle and fix wheel with help of quarter pin. Then, place rear wheel cap. In the next step, place front mudguard to handle with help of screw. Step 7. Fix rear mudguard to main body with help of machine screw and nut, both side. Now, fix front wheel complete to handle with help of machine screw and nut. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body. Step 10. Fix flute pipe with help of bush 7 screw. Step 11. Fix movement rod with flute pipe with help of nut. Now, fix movement rod with front handle with help of nut. Then, place parental handle to flute pipe. Now, fix seat to main body with help of butterfly nuts. Step 15. Place rear basket to main body with help of machine screw and nut. Step 16. Place head rest to main body. In the next step, insert canopy to main body with help of plastic nut. Step 18. Open the batteries cap and insert the batteries. In the last step, close the battery cap with help of screw. Your beautiful Bullet Funride ready to ride.